Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing, review, and setup of my new Hoop HD indoor camera. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, so let's go ahead and check it out. Let's open this up. Alright, there it is. I did see that it comes in, I believe, in black as well. Go ahead and open it up, see what else we get. Alright, it does come with the power cable, which is a micro connection, along with the power adapter. All right, so let's look at the camera real quick. So really nice design. One thing that I did like is, check this out, it's got like a magnetic base. So if you want to kind of angle the camera, you can. If you want to put it this way, and this part as well can be adjusted. So I thought that was really neat. And it came with a user guide as well. And then on the actual camera, it has for you to download the application. So you don't have to go looking for the app. Just scan the QR code for iOS or Android, and then you're good to go. But man, it looks really nice finish on here. Like I said, the quality just seems really good. And then what's cool about the camera, it does offer cloud storage, and then you can also put a micro SD card right here. So if you don't want to keep it online and you rather just do it all local storage, you can definitely do that with this camera. And you are able to hook it up to like your Alexa device as well. So you're able to preview the video on there as well. So once you downloaded the app through the QR code, you want to hit add device. We'll hit on the first one, the Hoop Cam. It's just letting you know how to set it up for perfect visuals. We'll hit up the setup button on the actual camera. The camera will actually say ready to connect. You'll hear it, it's pretty loud. Once it does, you'll hit that red button that says it's ready. Once you have it set up to your Wi-Fi, then you'll go ahead and actually have the camera scan this QR code from your phone or tablet. Once it does, it'll say the QR has been read, and then it'll take you to this screen. You'll go ahead and name the camera whatever you like here. We will more than likely keep ours in our living room, so we'll just go ahead and name it living room. Once you're done with that step, then it'll actually load the camera, which is what the application looks like. Then let's go ahead and see what it actually looks like. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, the quality of the camera is just really good. It's actually got some high definition camera built into it. It's going to be super useful. Like I said, we'll probably use it for my pet Millie. And the fact that it has that magnetic base, you're able to adjust it however you like. Overall, I think the quality of the camera looks good. The quality of the audio is really good. The app and the setup was super easy. Kind of breezed through it all. Everything was explained. I don't know. It probably took about 5 minutes, if that, to get it fully set up from start to finish. I do like the camera. Like I said, the design's really nice. Another cool feature is, let's just say that you're not able to like communicate right away through the app. You're able to type something. So you could actually broadcast it. So I'll go ahead and hit broadcast from the app.
What's for dinner? What's for dinner?
So very cool. I think it does it a couple times.
What's for dinner?
Very cool. Different options. Like I said, just the design, super sleek, super cool. So if you guys are looking for a new indoor HD camera, definitely look into this one. Highly recommend.